Okay, so welcome back to our video on the um, integration of certain functions. So this juncture, this video will be tackling about the integration of logarithms, or in in basically it is the integration which result to a logarithmic function. So our previous formula is integration of u to the n du is equal to u to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. Now, this formula has a condition with regards to the value of n. So, n must not be equal to negative 1. So there is a reason for that, because for example, if our n is equal to negative 1, so let's say that n is equal to negative 1. So substituting that to our equation, so we can say that the integral of u to the negative 1 du is equal to u to the, what is our n? Negative 1. So negative 1 plus 1 over negative 1 plus 1 plus c. So simplifying this further, we have u to the negative 1 minus 1, so plus 1, that is just 0, over, so negative 1 plus 1, so that is also 0, plus c. So what will happen now to this expression, or to this function? So that is a number over 0. So u to the power of 0 is equal to 1 over 0, and 1 over 0 is what? It is undefined, or we can assume that one as infinity. So that could not be a way to solve this integral of u to the n, where your n is equal to negative 1. So to resolve this dilemma, we will use a new equation, which is the integral of the u to the negative 1 du is equal to ln u plus c. So, or to rewrite this one, the u to the negative 1, we can say that 1 integral of 1 over u du is equal to ln, sorry, it's like my n is a little bit confusing, ln u plus c. So how do we arrive with this formula? So how it's derived? No? So going back to your differential calculus, so what is the derivative of ln u? So that is equal to the derivative of u over du itself. So integrating both sides, because we know that integration is the inverse of differentiation. So this one will just become ln u, which is equal to integral of du over u. And since we are integrating indefinitely, so by the property of an indefinite integral, so we usually add c. So ln u plus c is equal to the integral of du over u, which is equal to this formula. So that is basically the integration of logarithms. So in the next video, we'll solve one example in which I'm going to explain how to use this formula to find the u, to find ln u, to find the du, so that we can utilize the formula very well. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.